my fucking thoughts about the party. The party will be amazing.
Are you excited about tonight?
Of course I am. I'm nervous / excited. Hopefully I will bring my best and shine bright like a diamond.
You wanna tell them about the techno concept?
We're trying to make people like techno through remixes and R&B songs, where I mix these three genres together and create a wonderful flower.
Guys, do we have any pressure about tonight?
Zero. I'm gonna poop my pants.
Emil, how you feeling about tonight, man?
Amazing, man. Amazing.
Are you worried that people are gonna get into fights or what?
I hope they won't. It won't be good for them. But we don't need this kind of scenes. We are a quality brand. Please, please, we don't need this kind of barbaric acts.
So true. So true.
Where is Baran? Can someone call him, this guy?
Can I ask a small question?
Tell me,
I think it's really important for us.
tell me. Where's the pen?
No, fuck about the pen.
Yeah.
What do you think about your mustache? Can we have a comment about it, please?
Nothing. Nothing.